Oh, don't die, buddy. He hit the window so hard. Oh, come on, you're okay. Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh, come on. Come on, honey. Oh. Oh, come on. He hit the window so hard. Oh, come on, buddy. You're so pretty. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Look how beautiful this bird is. He just hit the window, the glass, so hard, and he's been stunned for quite a while. I'm trying to get him to fly off again. Oh, poor baby. You okay? Come on, can I see you fly off? Come on. Oh, you're so pretty. I want to see you fly off. You okay? Come on. Come on, you can do it. I thought you were a goner. But you're waking up. Look at that. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Come on. Time to wake up. I hope you're okay now. You're so pretty. Look at you. You gonna go? You gonna leave me? Yeah? You gonna leave me? Are you ready to fly? You think you're okay to fly? Come on. I want to see you take off.